Hello YouTube, Fun6892 Gaming here with another Minecraft video. I really hope you enjoy, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. So I will come back when the game is about to start. Just know that I make custom skins. It only costs 1 subscriber. Just let me know if you subscribed. I'll go check, and then tell me what kind of skin you want. So I'll come back when the game is about to start. I also forgot to mention this, but this is the survival games. I am on the fridge. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Oh, parkour. Parkour. I haven't done any parkour videos yet, so this might be, good quality parkour. Ooh. Turning opacity. No. Yeah, I'm finally in it for once. Okay, multiplayer settings, opacity. I want to do it so I can see it. But, yeah, okay. I'm just gonna run out of there. GL, guys. 45 seconds. I've never actually played on this map. No thanks. But this is the first time I've been begging kicks and run a police for an iron or diamond class or something like that. And I'm so happy I'm actually on. Okay, how many seconds? 30. 15 seconds. 100 plus chess. I like ye. 3, 2, 1, go. Running. Okay, just running here. Okay, just running. Because I don't know what's gonna happen. I know one place where I know there's chests and nobody really gets them. Oh gosh. Running. I'm not the only one. Oh, please have a sword. No, no, no. Dang it. Okay, I don't think this is gonna be very successful. But this is my first time on the fridge, so I'm gonna upload it anyways. Okay. Here's a chest nobody gets. Oh god, please. You are kidding me. That's... I don't even know what to say. Yeah. So I just looted that. Team. 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 Nope. That guy doesn't want a team. 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 I need some food. Thanks. This is why I don't really team that much, but I have to take it. Follow me. I don't really team if they don't have Skype, but this guy, I mean, seriously, I was kind of desperate, and I think I already said this, but Pikachu don't care. Even though my skin ain't Pikachu, I ain't care. I have no idea whether these chests are, to be honest. Oh, I see a guy. Yeah, I just want to see. Just sit there and think about that. I found a guy. It's not that much of an accomplishment, but in this scenario, I'll take anything. Fail. Bull. Okay, we can get him. Oh, okay, we can get him. Yep. Definitely. I need to regen. Oh. Okay. The duck chase. Except it's not really ducks. Check into doom. Ow. Shorty. Yeah, you're a clutch. Oh, come on. Well, at least I don't have a teammate anymore. I was chopping him up. Yeah. No. 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 GG. My first time on the fridge. And I failed. I failed. Oh no. Oh no. Can't believe it. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. No. Nice lava bath. Well, hope you enjoy. And that guy got revenge, yay. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. See you later, dudes. Yeah, fucking guy.